Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Tech Tutor. Python is a powerful, versatile, and easy to learn programming language that is widely used across a range of applications. In this video, we'll explore some of the many ways that Python is used in the real world. Python is popular among scientists and researchers for its ability to handle complex data analysis and modeling tasks. From analyzing large data sets to running simulations, Python is an essential tool in many scientific fields. Python is also used extensively in web development, thanks to its robust web frameworks like Django and Flask. These frameworks allow developers to build complex web applications quickly and easily, with features like authentication, routing, and database management. Python is widely used in the field of machine learning and artificial intelligence. Its simplicity, combined with its powerful libraries like TensorFlow, Keras, and PyTorch, makes it the go-to language for developing advanced AI systems. Python is also used extensively in finance and trading, where it's used to build algorithms for analyzing market data, forecasting trends, and making trades. Python's simplicity and flexibility make it a great choice for financial applications. Finally, Python is used in game development, where it's used to build game engines, game logic, and game AI. These are just a few of the many applications of Python. Whether you're a scientist, web developer, a researcher, finance professional, or game developer, Python has something to offer. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. See you next time and happy coding!